Hello everyone and welcome to our special YouTube quiz video commemorating the birth anniversary of Rajiv Gandhi, which celebrated as Sadbhavana Diwas. Today we are here to test your knowledge about the life, achievements and enduring legacy of Rajiv Gandhi. When is Sadbhavana Diwas celebrated in India?
Option D, August 20.
In which year Rajiv Gandhi was born?
Option D, 1944.
Where was Rajiv Gandhi born?
Option B, Bombay.
From which year Sadbhavana Diwas was celebrated in India?
Answer is C, 1992.
Who is the father of Rajiv Gandhi?
Answer is D, Feroz Gandhi.
Who succeeded Rajiv Gandhi as the Prime Minister of India after his assassination?
Answer is A, P.V. Narasimha Rao.
In which city was Rajiv Gandhi assassinated by a bomb blast?
Answer is A, Sri Perumandar.
Rajiv Gandhi was known for advocating which type of technology during his time as Prime Minister?
Answer is B, Information Technology.
What was the code name of the military operation ordered by Rajiv Gandhi to counter insurgency in Sri Lanka?
Answer is C, Operation Pawan.
Rajiv Gandhi was the youngest Prime Minister of India. How old was he when he assumed office?
Answer is A, 40.
Rajiv Gandhi became the Prime Minister of India in which year?
Answer is C, 1984.
Rajiv Gandhi's Look East policy aimed to strengthen the ties with which region?
Answer is D, Southeast Asia.
Which major event prompted Rajiv Gandhi to enter politics?
Answer is C. Assassination of Indira Gandhi.
When was Rajiv Gandhi posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna?
Answer is A. 1991.
Where did Rajiv Gandhi start the Sadbhavana Yatra on 19 October 1990?
Answer is B. Hyderabad.